Jack Chapman with Auto Repair Shop Success. Today, we're going to be talking staffing pars for service advisors. Now, typically there are two schools of thought when it comes to staffing. The first is staffing according to the business that you do currently, and the second is staffing based on the plan for the business's growth and sales goals. Either one you choose to do, this formula will work for. But I personally prefer staffing for the goal and growth. Now, the formula we're going to be using is projected sales per month average divided by 50K. Why 50K? Well, you should have the expectation that any service advisor you employ is capable of producing 80% of their month's salary every single month in sales. With the average service advisor salary being 50K, that's what we're going to use for this demonstration. Now, here you can see the scale, but what is half an advisor? Well, it could be part-time, could be a receptionist role. There are possibilities here, but the big picture will fill in as we discuss the other positions. Join us next week for the technician pars. Continue to share this content on socials. And as always, we can't wait to see you.